Hello everyone, this is Krishna Chaudhary and welcome to you in this SQL Server tutorial. And in this tutorial we will cover how to check whether same name of database present or not in SQL Server. Means if you want to create a database with a particular name and a database with that particular name is already present in that database, then what will happen and how to check whether the same name of database is present in that SQL Server instance or not. So let's begin. And so start here. So first of all, we have to check whether the same database name is present in our SQL Server instance or not. So for that we have to check with using exist. So if not exist, or here we can write a condition. Okay, so select name from master from the master database dbo dot system database basis. Okay, so in master database, a table named system database which hold all the name of the database that are present in this SQL Server instance. Okay, so where we have to check whether our database with the same name is present or not. Okay, so where name is equal to here name, I just check this my first database name is present or not. Okay, my first for IRST first database. Okay, so if this name database is present in our instance, then this condition will true, and after that there will no query will execute. Okay, or if it is not present, then this condition show true value and it next query will return. So here we can create a new database. Okay, so create database and database name like my FIRST first database. Okay, so I just run it, command and successfully, and it is already exist. So this is not showing any error, but this is not creating some other database. Okay, so I just change this database name and use some other name like my second database. Here also I change it second database. Okay, so I just execute it and check what will happen. So here we can see commands completed successfully. Okay, and I refresh it and check like my second database has been created. So we can use this as a standard formatting in IT companies. So this is very useful for teamwork. And if exist, okay, here's query, I just copy the same query. Okay, and if it is true, then it will show a message. Okay, so I just begin here begin, and show a message, select database. Here a message will be show if this condition is true, like if this database is present, then this will show like database is exist. Okay, is exist. Okay, so this database is exist. Okay, now here we end this, like this is execute when this condition is true, else let's suppose this condition is false, then what will happen, then this query will execute begin. This begin is used to begin the set of execution of the set of command that we write in this like begin and between these begin and end. Okay, so begin here, just create database name. Okay, create database or same. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, and I can show message here like select message database is created. Okay, sorry, is created. Okay, and I compile it and check what will happen, and see database is exist. Okay, so I just rename the database, like I give 30 HIRD third. Okay, here also change third HIRD third. Okay, and then I execute it and let's see what will happen. Okay, now database is created. Okay, I see here it is not reflecting, so I have to refresh it, and here you can see my third database has been created. So this approach we can follow for standard query writing. Okay, so this we learn like how to write a full structure, like if and else condition, utilization of if and else condition in this, and how to begin the execution of queries and end of these queries. Like here we begin and write the query, a set of queries also can written here, and end the query here, then else condition true, then from here we can start else part if particular condition will false. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.